देवाची ये द्वारी उभा क्षणभरी, तेणे मुक्तिचारी साधी येल्या. हरिमुखे म्हणा, हरिमुखे म्हणा, पुण्याची गणना कोण करी.
Sant Jnaneshwar, in his first Abhang of the Sampurna Haripat, appeals to all the devotees that and the seekers of God, that one has to just stand at the threshold of the temple of God, and when he stands there, he gets connected to the divine almost instantly. He says, when we go to various pilgrim places, of course nowadays these pilgrim places have become famous tourist spots also, we are never there alone. We are always in the company of someone or the other, maybe our friends, our family, or an unknown strange crowd, but we are always there in a crowd. To such an extent are we that we do not realize that we have not connected to ourselves, forget connecting to the God there. The divine element in those pilgrim places, of course, has its effect on us, because we come back from those places saying we are very blissful and happy that we visited such and such a place. But Sant Jnaneshwar's appeal goes far beyond all this. He does not mean on a macro level that stand at the doorstep of a temple. He means stand at the threshold of your own inner self. Connect yourself to the divine, be it for a moment, be it for a single moment in a day. And if you keep doing this on a regular basis, he says, it will not be long before you connect to the divine to such an extent that he becomes a part of you and you become a part of him. That is, he says, this can happen in 4 ways of liberation. It will not be difficult for any devotee to attain these 4 ways of liberation. The 4 ways which he calls as the mukti are, first, the salokya. Salokya is supposed to be that where one resides in the abode of the Lord. Now, where does the Lord reside? He resides in the hearts of his devotees. So he says, the first thing we all should know is, look at each and every living creature as a manifestation of the Lord himself. Second, he says, is samipata. Samipata means coming closer or being in the proximity of the Lord. That is, as you go closer to every living creature, you realize that every living thing is having its own divine potential. And that's when you come to the next form of liberation, which he calls as swarupata. Then you start realizing that every form is actually his form, including yourself. And the fourth and the final way of liberation or mukti, he says, is the sayujata. Sayujata is having no duality. That is, you and he, the Lord, are one. This is what he means by the 4 ways of liberation. He says, to attain this, you have to do a very simple thing. Just chant his name. And he keeps reminding us in all his abhang that Hari Mukhe Mana, that is, keep chanting the Hari's name continuously.
असोनी संसारी जिव्हे वेगू करी, वेदशास्त्र उभारी बाह्या सदा. ज्ञानदेव म्हणे व्यासांची या खुणा, द्वारकेचा राणा पांडवा घरी.
Mauli says his Haripat is for the common man. It is for the common householder who's caught in the snare of his day-to-day life. He's caught in the ocean of samsara, its desires, its sins, its good deeds. So he says, just keep chanting Harinam. Do not bother whether you're getting any goodness out of it, you're getting any returns out of it. It is immeasurable, he says. He also goes on to say that it is a paradoxical thing one has to learn. He says, in fact, he extols the householder and says that a householder has a very difficult role to play because he has to balance between his material desires and his spiritual desires. He further goes on to tell us that the Pandavas who had faced a lot of sorrow, hardships, they had their own share of joys as well. They had complete surrender attitude towards the Lord. And so, it is found that Krishna also did not give up on his devotees in time of his need. And therefore, he becomes the charioteer for none other than Arjuna. So, if you have a total surrender attitude, Maudi says, that even the king of Dwarka, that is Lord Krishna, becomes a slave of his devotee. This is evident even in other saints' lives. If we see their biographies, we find that Sant Janabai, Sant Sakhubai, all these people had Lord Krishna serving them. So this is how Mauli ends his first Abhang of Hari.
देवाची द्वारी उभा क्षण भरी तेणे मुक्तिचारी साधियेला हरिमुखे म्हणा हरिमुखे म्हणा पुण्याची गणना कोण करी असोनी संसारी जिव्हे वेगू करी वेदशास्त्र उभारी बाह्या सदा ज्ञानदेव म्हणे व्यासाची या खुणा द्वारकेचा राणा पांडवा घरी